What about a skyscraper? I'm going to do CS house, and I want to build a skyscraper right here. So I'm going to do pen up set XY, and I'm going to go 75 over and 0 high and pen down. So I'm in a nice place for a skyscraper, and then I'm going to do rec, and I want to make it 250 high, and I want to make it 70 wide. That's an awesome skyscraper. It doesn't even fit. I like that. So then I want to add a big door to my rec. So I'm going to do pen up set XY, and I'm going to go 85 over. Now I'm going to change that to 105 over. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, I like that better. And then I'm going to make my rec 30 high by 40 wide. That didn't work at all. CS house, set XY, bring back my rec. I'm going to do set XY 95. This is what's nice is you can just double click and change, and then 30 by 30. I'll try that. I bet you that'll look much nicer. There you go. Now I've got a sweet door on my hotel. Now the next step would be to add some windows. And I'm just going to do pen up set XY. I'm going to do my 85. And when I press enter, I'm going to make it 40 high. That's a sweet spot for a window. And I do SQ210. So now I could do that same thing to add one at 60. Add one at 80. Notice I'm adding 20 every time. And you can real quickly program a pretty doggone sweet hotel or some kind of skyscraper. Use that idea to see what you can build.